Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please subscribe, like and share. I really love it when you guys do that. And for returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to tie this new trending gele. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I really love it when you guys do that. Thank you all so much. So for this particular gele, the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the gele before I placed it on her head, and then I made about 4 pleats. So this is going to be a V-shaped gele, and all you really have to do is to make sure that you follow these steps I'm going to be showing you all today. Just follow the steps I'm going to be showing you all today. So for this particular gele, all you really have to do is to make sure that one side of the gele goes behind your ear while the other side stays on top. Then when you bring the other hand in front, you have to make sure that it covers your ear. That gives you the V shape. The V shape is very easy. It's not difficult at all. You just really need to follow the simple steps I'm going to be showing you guys. It's not difficult. So the rule for this particular gele today is 50-50. I really just had to make my gele very long so that I'll be able to get the style properly. If your gele is short, if it doesn't have length, it's really not going to, you're basically going to find it difficult in tying. You're going to find difficulty in tying this gele. So your gele has to really be long. So all I'm doing right now is just making sure that her pleats are well laid and it's nicely done. Okay guys, so what I did basically was to, after crossing the gele, after forming my V shape in front, I took the other hand towards the side of her face and asked her to hold it while I brought the other hand of her gele towards the front. And then I'm just basically going to make pleats with this hand of her gele. This is not difficult at all. I know I'm saying hand, but I hope that you guys get what I'm saying. So I'm just really going to make pleats. This gele I'm making use of today is so long because I had to join geles together so that I'll be able to get the shape properly. So I'm also just going to trace the pleats down towards her neck area. I'm going to still take it round because, like I said, the gele is so long. But if your gele is not as long as my own, you can stop here and then make that shape, that style in front of her head. So all I'm basically going to do is just to trace the pleats down towards her neck area, and then I'm also still going to bring it forward again so that the pleats will look big in front. Okay guys, so at this point I'm still making her pleats. I'm just going to really take my time in making sure that the gele actually comes out nice and I don't lose so many pleats. So right now I'm just going to make sure that I trace the pleats properly, because this is very important. You really want your gele to come out nice and beautiful. And guys, please pardon me because my gele is not as large, although it's lengthy, but it's not going to give me that full look like what is on my thumbnail. So at this point right now I'm just going to thread my gele so that it doesn't unravel on her head. You really have to take your time in doing this so that your gele does not fall or it doesn't unravel. So I'm just going to take my time in threading this gele right now. This is just a tutorial, just a basic tutorial to show you guys on how this particular gele was tied. It might not be perfect right now, but I'm sure that if I try it, if I keep trying it, it's going to get better. So I'm just going to still go on with my pleats, and then I'm going to take it towards the other side of her face and make sure that it's neatly done and well laid. Like I said, this is my first time of actually trying this gele, but I do know that if I do it another time, it's going to look better than this. So I do hope that you guys actually pardon me. It's just to show you guys how this was done, and you guys know already that it's not difficult at all. So at this point also I'm going to thread the gele. This gele is just like a turban though, so I'm just going to thread the gele so that the style I just made in front, this curve, does not unravel. You have to thread properly so that it doesn't unravel. It's very necessary and it's important. So guys, at this point you really do not have to forget that one hand of your gele is left. You don't just have to forget. So all you have to do is to make sure that you pick it up and make pleats with it. And after making your pleats, just make sure that it's neatly done and properly laid. Then after making it, take it behind the style you did in front, which is the curve I did in front. Just take it behind it and pin it. Guys, you really have to take note that this stays behind the curve in front and not in front of the curve. So all I'm doing right now is just to make sure that it's neatly done, and then I'm going to twist the remaining part of my gele, because as you can see my gele is still remaining. My gele is so lengthy. So I'm just going to twist it because I have no hand at the back for me to knot it with it. So I'm just going to twist it and then take it round her head and pin it. So right now I'm done making her gele. I'm done tying it. All you have to do next is to make sure that your pleats are well laid, it's neat, and she's good to go. You just have to keep touching and touching until you're comfortable with what you have, until you feel good about it. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like, and share. And do not fail to turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. I love you guys so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye.